Here is how to get the defensive stance in WoW WoTLK in World of Warcraft of the Lich King. So for this we have many races to go through, so I will go through the most popular ones. So before we start, here are the requirements. You need at least level 10 to be able to learn the defensive stance, because the defensive stance will unlock only once you reach level 10. And now this quest will differ from race to race, but shortly is the same, and I will explain to you how to get it even if you are a different race. So that being said, let's get it started. So shortly you have to go to your warrior trainer in the first big city you will see after your spawn. As an example, for orcs you will have to go to Razor Hill city, and there you'll find the warrior trainer. He will give you a quest and you will have to go to the barons to complete this quest, and that NPC will give you another quest to fight and to kill 5 Kodos and to get their scale. Once you will have their scale, you have to get back to the NPC, and as a reward he will give you the defensive stance. And now for humans, as an example, you will have to go to the first big city, which is Golshire, and the same you will have to go to your warrior trainer, and he will tell you to go to Stormwind to meet someone. Once you'll arrive, this guy will put you to fight somebody, and if you win this fight he will give you his mug, and you will have to give it to the first NPC, and as a reward you'll learn the defensive stance. And as you may notice in this pattern, this quest will differ for every warrior class. If you are a night elf, if you are a blood elf, if you are a gnome or a dwarf, these quests will differ, but shortly you will have to go to the first city you will see after your spawn. At level 10, go to your trainer, he will give you a quest, and with that quest you will get the defensive stance. So that's how to get the defensive stance in World of Warcraft of the Lich King. I hope this tutorial helped you out, and thanks a lot for watching.